years. The world will be watching closely as Turkey's defense industry continues to grow and innovate, solidifying its place as a major power in the 21st century. In a display of unparalleled accuracy and range, the KARA ATMACA shattered expectations during its long-range firing test. This test, conducted in the Black Sea, saw the missile flawlessly hit its target, over 200 kilometers away. This record-breaking achievement solidified the KARA ATMACA's position as a leader in long-range precision strike capabilities. The world watched in awe as the missile soared through the skies, hitting its target with pinpoint accuracy. The test showcased the KARA ATMACA's advanced guidance and navigation systems, proving its ability to engage targets at extended ranges with unmatched precision. This feat is a testament to the dedication and expertise of Turkish engineers and scientists who have developed this cutting-edge technology. The success of this test has far-reaching implications for Turkey's defense capabilities. With its extended range, the KARA ATMACA provides Turkey with a strategic advantage, enabling it to engage targets far beyond its borders. It also significantly enhances Turkey's deterrence capabilities, sending a clear message that any aggression against the country will be met with a swift and decisive response. The international community has taken note of this significant achievement, recognizing Turkey's growing prowess in missile technology. The KARA ATMACA's long-range precision strike capability is a game-changer in modern warfare, providing Turkey with a decisive edge in an increasingly complex geopolitical landscape. The missile's ability to hit targets with pinpoint accuracy at extended ranges makes it a formidable weapon, capable of deterring threats and safeguarding Turkey's interests both at home and abroad. The KARA ATMACA missile is the brainchild of Roketsan, Turkey's leading defense company specializing in missile and rocket systems. Tasked with bolstering Turkey's indigenous defense capabilities, Roketsan embarked on this ambitious project to develop a world-class cruise missile. The company poured its expertise and resources into realizing this vision, overcoming numerous technical challenges along the way. The result was a triumph of Turkish engineering, the KARA ATMACA. The development of the KARA ATMACA is a testament to Roketsan's commitment to innovation and its ability to deliver cutting-edge defense solutions. The company's engineers and scientists worked tirelessly to design and develop a missile that would meet the evolving needs of the Turkish armed forces. From the initial concept to the final product, the KARA ATMACA project involved countless hours of research, development, and testing. Roketsan's team of experts meticulously crafted each component of the missile, ensuring that it met the highest standards of performance and reliability. The successful completion of this project has cemented Roketsan's reputation as a world leader in missile technology. The KARA ATMACA is a source of immense pride for Roketsan and a testament to the company's unwavering dedication to advancing Turkey's defense capabilities. This achievement highlights the company's commitment to innovation and its ability to deliver cutting-edge defense solutions that meet the evolving challenges of the 21st century.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.